Sustainable construction or sustainable living is the intersection of economy, society, and environment. And so when you're thinking about those three elements, the sweet spot with sustainability is when you're taking into consideration those three elements. That's sustainability. Regenerative building and regenerative living is taking that sustainability model and flattening it, and that's your baseline. And then from there, what you see is a growth of ways in which the economy is regenerating itself. So you're seeding back into the economy. We understand that concept, but what does that look like for the environment? That's planting more trees. That's recharging the aquifer with rainwater harvesting. And then for people, what does that look like? Well, it's programs like Community Rebuilds that are using a job site as a classroom to train young emerging professionals.